Hi, to fix overheating problem on your Realme 12x, first thing that we are going to do that's to open quick settings on our phone by swiping down 2 times. Here, take a look on your settings and make sure that all of the non-necessary features are disabled. For example, if you are not connected to any wireless device, you can disable the Bluetooth, and also don't forget about the location services because these two are the most hard on the overheating problem. So don't forget to turn off non-necessary features at the moment. And also between the non-necessary features we can find the mobile data because they are also hard on the overheating problem and maybe one of the main reasons. So let's move on to the next step, and that's checking of the software update, because every software update is not only giving you a new features but also fixing old bug and logs that may be the problem of overheating. So to check the software version, we would need to open settings on our phone and now scroll down to the end until you'll find this tab named about device. Click on it to open, and here click on this Realme UI. And while our phone is checking for the updates, we can see that my version is currently up to date and there is no updates. But if you will have any available update software on your phone, you will be able to find some buttons like update, install right now, and similar things. So you'll be able to install the software update by yourself. So next thing that we are going to do, that's to go back to the main setting list, and here look for a tab which is named battery. So here is it how it looks. It got this little battery icon. First thing that we are going to do here, that's to scroll down and then enable the smart charging, because sometimes or always your phone is overheating while charging because you may leave some non-necessary features enabled, you haven't cleared your recent apps, and a lot of things. So the smart charging would not only help to extend the battery life but also prevent the overheating. So now let's move on to the battery tab and scroll down until you'll find this button more settings. Here we would need to go to the optimize battery use, and here find the applications that you use the most. So for example, in my case this will be Google Chrome. So after you have found the application that is eating a lot of battery and also maybe the problem of overheating, here you would need to choose auto optimize, and it will be great if you could do that on all of the applications that you're using often. So after you have selected the auto optimize, let's go back, and here we would need to go to the screen battery optimization tab. So click on it, and here instead of turned off or balance mode, we can switch to the super power saving mode, which is not even giving some difference to the screen battery optimization, but it will really help with the overheating problem. So next thing that we can do is to do not use your phone while charging, because the charging process is always the most hard on the battery and the temperature of your phone. So just let your phone sit and do something else while it's charging. And of course the last one is the recent applications. They are located in this free aligned button at the bottom part of your phone, and here you can see that I got only 3 because I clean them often, but don't forget to clean them because they are also one of the main reasons of overheating your phone. And also one extra tip that I can give you, you can try to regularly restart your phone, because restarting of your phone gives them a little rest, which will help to fix some problems, bugs, and also may help a little bit with the overheating. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.